Highlighting keywords for answers. The wheel is rolling on the ground at a constant rate along a level straight path from a starting point to an ending point. The graph of y equals dt on the right can represent which of the following functions of time when the wheel began to roll. So we see as time goes to a positive direction, what could be our dependent factor? What is something that we see? And what they're talking about is if someone got a sticker and put it on the top of a wheel, as it actually, let me see if I can show us what this looks like. Like as this wheel spins, what can that graph on the right be representing? So the idea here is, actually, let me see if I can just get the wheel. Kablamo. And then if I were to paste it here, so like as it's spinning, like what happens after like after a certain amount of time, the dot would be there, then the dot would be here, dot would be there. And really that helps us clarify some of these answer choices here, but let's look at each of them. A, the speed at which the wheel is rolling. Well, they already said at a constant rate. Nope. The distance of the wheel from its starting point. It's telling us that it's going on a level straight path from a starting point to an end point. So the fact that it's going down and then back up, they're not saying anything about the wheel somehow coming back. C, the distance of the mark on the rim from the center of the wheel. Well, as we saw, that mark is not saying that it can move or anything like that. It's at the end of the wheel. It's going to stay there the whole way through. So it can't be seen. That leaves us with D, which also makes sense. The distance of the mark on the rim from the ground. We can see that that mark is at its highest point there, but as the wheel is turned halfway, we can see that it's now at the lowest point, which would represent right like these valleys here.